Yana na ilabe gbani na ya tide aji talaka ji taimako to da yake na gwamnati ma wa da tataci wannan to wale gan zandoro awa gade na ogade na ebo na nupenci gan ga agbo gbaro to awa je ebo tanci to amma oto ga ipa igboro lo dole wa fe cin zazu majile o ma fe cin zai ji ladia na le wa ga soku de bu shiuk ma to ade.
Well, we have been receiving donations. The donations that we have received will certainly not go anywhere, in terms of the population of Niger State. So what the government has done, you realize that the government had to put in some money, first to procure, grains and other assorted, palliatives across the 274 wards of the state.
Foundation yu ju ebo ndo chiba hu ju ebo hu talaka ji taimako be zagwa gbagi be kuma umaji foundation hu ji na weji ko ina dauna weji to empowerment, youth empowerment. O ala machine yawe o cholo so asiri without any interest ko kuma ala machine yawe ne la gun edena and other things like that. O to bi o ga zandoro ga ji taimako iri uchi na kabo zandoro gawa so ko aga ugba be alheri so ina weji unde na dauna unde egbon ebo na unde de unga igan egbon unga igan. Understand, and that is what he's doing.
So kode ke foundation de ena yi jinufi bi na igagam yaji wagade igaji fe bele gbaru fuje to inzagiji de ke na je ba ji de jo bia na sa shi aji wala so yima feel gan the only kemna ya dada ichi de taimakon ci jiya rayuwa na dole ngwan yi de foundation ebona kandochi oga ga we tunza tun wa we gya to ngala yi tocha foundation na pio to maga chunle idaye jin beyin njigba anya foundation na ide lagwa kun ju saran keto egi makanta primary school sina to yi mai babe sokwe gam kenna sokwe ya ito ejide gina soku ya musulmin doro ndi ujin boya rasulullahi.